So first thing you get is a guarantee card. Also included in the package is the manual. There's a USB cable. You also have the power cable. A little tripod. The remote. So the frame is metal. Here's where the projector lens is. You also have your SD card slot, reset slot, USB for multiple devices, you have your DC 5V, your headphone jack, your HDMI, your power switch, and here's the speaker. Here we have the focus wheel. And the tripod hold. Here I'm going to go through all the settings. So first thing is you have your network, of course you connect it to your router. You have your Bluetooth, which I would recommend connect it to a speaker. You have your volume setting. Here's your display option. Now there's many different settings you could use. You could brighten it, color, temperature. You have 3 options. Cold, middle, warm. Here we have the screen rotation. And so you have 4 different options. Screenshot. So 10, 15, 20. Screen zoom. So you can make it smaller or bigger, depending on your preference or your screen size that you want. Here's more options. Here's the calibration. Connect it to your PC. Here's all the apps that are installed already. So I'm just going to go through all the apps. Quickly going through it. Here's the storage and reset option. The about. And so first thing you're going to do is check the system update, because when I received the projector, there was an update. You can change the name, restart, status, model, version. And so pretty much it has all the information. Also has the email for support. Here's the day and time. I'm going to go through all the different languages real quick. Here's the keyboard, add accessory, security, add account. Now we're just going to look at all the different apps. So you get Chrome, Free Click, HappyCast, Manual, Wi-Fi display, your Play Store, Netflix, MX Player, Media Center, and YouTube. So next we're going to just quickly look at the video. So we're going to look at the video resolution. As you can tell, it's nice and crisp. It's clear. The audio is kind of low, and pretty much that's why I suggested pretty much connect it to a Bluetooth speaker or connect it somehow to external speaker. That way the audio will be more crisp, because it is low and it's not as crisp as a Bluetooth speaker or external speaker that you would initially have. And so I hope this video helps you in buy decision process. And if you have any questions, please comment. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.